Are you using ActiveCampaign for your marketing automation? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you 5 simple yet powerful marketing automations from Salesmsg that you can add to ActiveCampaign to boost your campaigns today. To get access to these proven templates, head over to the ActiveCampaign's recipes marketplace and search for Salesmsg. From there, find the recipe you like and import it to start using it right away. Start simple with a welcome text for new customers or subscribers. Most businesses rely on a welcome email, but did you know that text messages have, on average, an open rate that is 5 times higher than email? This means subscribers are far more likely to see your text message and feel valued from day one. To spice things up, you can also leverage Ringless voicemails to nurture leads. With Ringless voicemails, you can send pre-recorded messages directly to your contact's voicemail without ringing their phone or picking the phone yourself. This low-key, respectful approach reaches contacts without annoying cold calls or ignored emails. If you are hosting webinars or in-person events, you know that the more leads show up, the more likely you are to sell. But with people's busy schedules, they often register and then forget. To boost attendance, you can use this recipe to send quick, well-timed text messages to remind your leads to attend, thus boosting the effectiveness of your events. Lastly, if your business receives more phone calls than you can answer, then you are likely missing on a lot of opportunities. With this simple one-step automation, your customers will automatically receive a text message when you can't answer their call. This simple text instantly makes your customers feel heard and appreciated and sets a positive tone for your next conversation. If you haven't yet, start your 14-day free trial with Salesmsg today and see what these simple text messages can do for your business. Thanks for watching.